Thought about buying a rental, but didn't know where to start? This is for you. Here's a framework for first-time investors in 1 to 4 unit residential. Think duplex, triplex, fourplex, single family. Numbers to run, the financing option, and the checklist. Protects you from a bad deal. Why 1 to 4? Residential financing means a 30-year fixed rate. Cheapest money in real estate. FHA gets you in at 3.5% down if you limit. Biggest unlock, house hacking. Buy a duplex, live in one side, you can rent the other, and let the tenant cover those expenses. Score the market before you ever look at a property. Population growth, job growth across multiple industries, a landlord-friendly state, vacancy under 6%, crime that's trending down. If the market fails these filters, it doesn't matter how good the deal is. Pass and move on. 5 numbers before every offer. Cap rate, target 8% or better. Cash return, the real number on your actual cash invested, target 12%. Debt service coverage ratio, DSCR, tells you if the property can cover its own mortgage. I want 1.40. Break-even occupancy, under 70%. Gross rent multiplier, under 120 is your quick filter. FHA gets you in at 3.5 down if you're owner-occupied. Conventional runs 5 to 25%. One of the most available out there that people don't know is DSCR loans. They don't qualify on the property's cash flow, not your personal income. W-2, tax returns required. Game changer for self-employed. 4 categories to inspect: the roof and exterior, mechanical systems, interior and safety. Pay close attention to the electrical panel's capacity and the roof stage. Those are expensive surprises. Hire a licensed inspector. Don't forget to walk the property yourself. Offer to keys, you get a 10-day option period for inspections, loan, and appraisal. To close by day 30 to 45. For an entity structure, if you live in Texas, get a Texas Series LLC, which isolates liability per property for about $300. Talk to a CPA and attorney before that first purchase. Treat the rental like a business. Non-negotiable tenants group. Credit score 620 plus. Income 3 times the rent. And background checks applied consistently to every applicant. Track the 5 numbers monthly: occupancy, collection rate, days to lease, maintenance costs, and capex reserves. Ifs: they don't need 20-25% down. FHA is as little as 3.5%. The tenants will destroy the place, not if you screen the lease properly. Real estate is not passive, especially in your budget 5 to 10 hours per month. Full playbook. All of this in depth. 7 modules, 30 plus formulas, complete due diligence checklist, full financing matrix. Links in the description. If you want just the core formulas, cheat sheet below. Thanks for watching.